Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-Pack Screen Protector plus 3-Pack Camera Lens Protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News, where we dive into the latest EV news and trends from around the world. Today, BYD is taking the automotive industry by storm with its rapid expansion into new markets. Let's take a closer look at what's happening. BYD has been on a roll lately, announcing partnerships and launches in countries that most traditional auto giants have overlooked. And we're not just talking about any old markets, we're talking about Africa and Southeast Asia. That's right, folks, BYD is making waves across the continent, with its wide range of BEVs and PHEVs available to consumers. In April, BYD officially entered the Seychelles market, marking the 15th African country on its list. And just a week later, the company followed up with another launch in Benin, collaborating with CFAO Mobility to bring 2 new electric vehicle models to the market. That's right, folks, over 16 African countries now have BYD's EVs on their roads. But BYD isn't stopping there. The company has also announced a major partnership with Dubai Taxi Company and Al Fudaim Electric Mobility to deploy 200 all-electric BYD Seal taxis across Dubai. This move is not only a huge win for the environment, but also a significant step towards Dubai's goal of converting its entire fleet to electric vehicles by 2040. And if that wasn't enough, BYD has also launched its world's largest car carrier, the BYD Shenzhen, capable of carrying over 9,200 vehicles. This behemoth of a ship set sail for Brazil with over 7,000 vehicles on board, marking another major milestone in BYD's expansion plans. But what's behind BYD's incredible success? The answer lies in its ability to forge smart partnerships with distributors and fleet operators around the world. With its wide range of EVs available across multiple price ranges and vehicle segments, BYD has built a strong portfolio that addresses most consumers' needs. And let's not forget about Cambodia, where BYD is setting up an assembly plant that will help expand the electric mobility revolution to more areas around the world. The company's vision for Southeast Asia's new energy sector is one of intelligent manufacturing in China, evolving into Made in Cambodia. In just 1 month, BYD has announced launches and partnerships across multiple continents. From Africa to Asia, Europe to the Americas, this Chinese EV giant is leaving no stone unturned in its quest to become a global leader in the EV space. As we look ahead to 2025, it's clear that BYD will be playing a major role in driving adoption of EVs around the world. With its strong lineup and expanding distribution network, BYD is poised for another big year. And one thing's for sure, we can't wait to see what this industry has in store for us. Thanks for watching ElectroDrive News. Until next time, stay charged.